Set in a very charming little street high on the hill in Wandal, 15 Charlotte Street has lots of charming and endearing qualities that I'm sure you're going to love. We would love to take you on a tour of this lovely home. Come inside, let's take a look.
One of the great many aspects of 15 Charlotte Street is how nicely the areas flow into each other. Behind me, you've got a fantastic sunroom, as well as a spacious living area that flows into this amazing kitchen space. How great is this decked area, which is perfectly shaded in the afternoon sun to make the summer barbecues that much more enjoyable. If our team can help you own 15 Charlotte Street, get in touch today. We would love to help you out.